Hello students, welcome to class 4. Hello students, welcome to class 4. So in last lecture we have learned about the even numbers and odd numbers. We are going to have a quick revision. What are the even numbers and odd numbers? So you are going to sit with the book and pencil so that you can write the answers with me. So first question, do you remember what are the even numbers? Now find out the even numbers. So these are the number 27, 36, 48, 125, 360, 453. We have already done this in the last lecture. Today we are going to learn the prime number and the composite number. So before that, we are going to see what are the even numbers and odd numbers. 518, 423, 54, 58, 917, 186, 928 and 358. From this, which are the even numbers? Find out the even numbers. Now we know even number are what? The number that is the last digit. Yes, so we are going to see the last digit. So the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So we are going to see the last digit 8, then 0, again 8, 4, 8, 6, 8, here also 8. So what are they? They are all even numbers. They are all even numbers. And what are odd numbers? The number that is not divisible by 2 is known as a odd number. So the last number is like 7, 5, 3. Now today we are going to see what are the prime numbers. Prime number and composite number. Yes. Now we know that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Yes? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 12 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And they are called the factors of 12 also. These numbers. Which numbers? These numbers. These numbers are called factors. Factors of 12. As they divide 12, leaving no remainder. Yes? If we see, like now if I divide 6 and if I divide 12 by 6, so 6 2s are 12 and in remainder I get 0. So that means 6 is the factor of 12. So we know now that when two or more numbers are multiplied to get a product, they are called the factors of that product. Like see, 3 4s are. So what is the 3 and 4? 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is a factor. And when we are multiplying, two or more number are multiplied to get the product. Now product is what? 12. 12 is the product. And this 3 and 4 are called as a factor of that product. And 12 is what? Product. What is 12? 12 is a product. So now we know what are the factors. Factors are limited and multiples are unlimited. Multiples are limited, unlimited, and factors are limited. Now we are going to look at the factors of the first 10 numbers. Yes? Now see, if I write numbers and if I write over here factors, and here how many number of factors I get? Number of factors. If I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to find factors. Factors means when we are going to multiply two or more numbers, that are called factors. Now what will be the factor of 1? 1. So how many number of factors? 1. Now 2, factor will be 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So it is multiplied, each number is multiplied by 1, so we get 1 and the number itself 2. So the number of factors are 2. Now 3, 1 and 3. It will go in the table of itself and in the table of 1. So how many number of factors? Every number is a multiple of itself. So that's why say every number is a multiple of itself. 3, 3, 2, 2. And each number is also a multiple of 1. Yes, so number of factors is how much? Number of factors is 2. Now, fourth one. We are going to see the fourth one. Now, fourth one, the factors will be, it goes in 1. Each number has a multiple of, also a multiple of 1. So, we have written 1. Now, after 1, 2, it will not go in 3, it will go in every number is a multiple of itself, 4. See, 4, 4. So how many number of factors? 3. Now 5, 1, and it will go in itself. So number of factors 2. Number of factors here 3, here 2, here 1, here also 1. Now 6, it will go in 1, then it will go in 2, then it will go in 3, then it will go in 6 itself. 1, 2, 3, then it will go in itself. Every number is a multiple of, what does the property says? Every number is a multiple of itself. So 6 into 1 is 6. Every number is a multiple of itself, and even we are going to multiply by 1. So how many number of factors are there? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4. Now we'll see 7, 1 and 7. Again here 2 we get. Now 8, 1 will come. 2, 3, no. Then 4. Then itself 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 9. It will go in 1. It will go in 3. Again in itself 9. So how many factors? 1, 2, 3. Number of factors are 3. Now 10. It will go in 1, 2, 5 and itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Now we'll see what are the prime numbers. Now 2, 3, 5, 2, 3 and 5 are what? We can see some numbers only have 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. Now which number? 2, 3, 5 you can see. 2, 3, 5 and then 7, 2, 3, 5 and 7. See at this number. So what you can see? How many number of factors are there? How many number of factors are there? Only 2 factors are there. So the number which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself, which have only 2 factors are called as a prime numbers. That means it is multiplied by 1 and itself. So 1 and 2, 1, 3. It is multiplied by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Even in 7, 1 and itself you can see. Yes. So such numbers greater than 1. It is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. Yes. So we have only 2 factors. 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? So the number which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, they are called as a prime number. So we have seen that the number which have only 2 factors. The number which have only 2 factors. What are prime numbers? What we learned today about prime numbers. So I told you to look at the number which have some numbers. Some numbers have only 2 factors. Which were that number? 2, 3, 5, 7. They have only 2 factors. That is 1 and itself. They are called prime numbers. And what are composite numbers? The number which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Composite numbers. The number which have more than 2 factors. Numbers which have more than 2 factors. Now which are that numbers? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Which are that numbers which have more than 2 factors? 2, 3, 5, 7 we have seen that it has a 1 and itself. The number which have 1 and itself are called a prime number. Composite numbers, the numbers which have more than 2 factors. So which are that numbers? Example, 4 more than 2 factors. So 4 have 3 factors. So 4, 8, 8 has 4 factors. Then 9, 10. We have seen till 10. So composite numbers, the numbers which have more than 2 factors. 4, 8, 9, 10. And the prime number are what? The numbers which have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Now number 1. We have seen number 1. Number 1 is not mentioned anywhere, not in the prime number, not in the composite number. That means the number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. The number 1, you can see in the prime number also 1 is not mentioned, and in the composite number 1 is not mentioned. 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. Yes, 1 is not a prime number, is not neither a prime number nor a composite number. It is a unique number. Yes, it is a unique number. It is a unique number. And which is the smallest prime number from this? Now find out the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number from 2, 3, the example which I have written, 2, 3, 5, 7. Example. Which is the smallest prime number now from this? Is waiting for your answer. Smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number? Yes, the smallest prime number is 2. And smallest composite number is what? Composite number is 4. Yes, very good. The smallest prime number is 2 and the smallest composite number is 4. Now you are going to write all the prime numbers between. Okay, I'll write few questions and that you are going to solve, and then you are going to send me. So now you know what are even numbers, prime numbers. So now write the question. Write all the, this you are going to write in the book. Write all the prime numbers between the following. You are going to write the prime number. Now you know what are the prime number. 1 is a unique number. It is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So now write all the prime number between 31 and 50. This you are going to solve in the notebook and you are going to send me on my WhatsApp number. Second one is 50 and 90. Now you know what are the prime numbers which have only two factors. Third one is 61 and 80, and fourth one is 91, and in between this you are going to find out all the prime numbers. Now second, you are going to write all the composite number between the following. Write all the composite numbers between the following. First one is 40 and 50, 40 and 50, 75 and 90. Third one is 25 and 35. Fourth one is 50 and 70. The second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. So write all the prime numbers between the following and write all the composite number between the following, which I have given you right now on the screen. You can see. So you are going to do this in the notebook and you are going to send me on my WhatsApp number. So keep on practicing. We are going to practice more sums based on the multiples and factors. See you tomorrow. Today there is an assessment. You are going to solve that assessment and you are going to submit me. Okay, till then, goodbye. See you tomorrow.